MLA ka BJP na South Shillong constituency ba San Borsulai hanik sngi habakran makinang to akbor hadin gajeng pdiang sngewbha yo MLA barim ka seng TMC na Salman Para constituency winasan di sangma ulaong lada unong elam ka TMC Dr Mukul sangma unwan ban pynïasoh bat ka seng BJP nagaliang jong ka seng BJP Meghalaya kan pdiang sngewbha yu na ka basiang na ka red carpet nadu pelau jong ka office.
Today we are very happy under the presidency of Rickman. We are having our colleague Bahek, Karkrang, Galanbin, Bahrao. Seperti we are very happy that they have joined the party because his vision and mission is high, based on the good works of the Narendra Modi and the BJP in every part of India and even here in Meghalaya. Plenty of scheme has been given through the central government to develop Meghalaya. So this message will go to the people of Khasi, Jaiti and Garo that the time has come that they should not, entertain those political propaganda by the other parties during the elections. But they should support the BJP because, as I have said earlier, today, this is not an MDC election, not an MLA election, this is a Lok Sabha election. So you know from the trend, from the national news and everywhere that still Modi will form the government. Again will form the government. So that's why no use to send other party. It will be a wastage of time. So if you send if the people, we appeal to people of Katijantia to elect the BJP candidate as to enable he or her to get the ministership, then we can bring lots of development and generation of jobs to the job aspirants of Khasi and Garo.
Masanbor, will you entertain if Dr Mukul will join BJP?
We will entertain and like Dr Mukul is a seasoned politician, here in the party office we will put a red carpet welcome for Dr Mukul.
The President has Dr Mukul send fillers to the BJP that he will be joining?
No, not right now.